The Z. These are the people. This is them walking. There's just a little kid walking in the park. He drops his backpack. He drops his backpack again. And then a super ninja falls out and eats him. And then there's this bad guy. He shoots him. Then he goes back to the house. The bad guy sets a bomb because he was alive and he should get it. And then the house exploded. He was driving on his motorcycle. The cops got there. They washed down the building with cold, icy water. Here's the smoke. And there's the sniper rifle, the bad guy. He's about to kill the president. He's dead. The cops survived. They catch the bad guy. He goes in court. Then he's locked up. The Big Z. Now, the resident of the Big Z2. I didn't start it. I'm going to start tomorrow.
Okay.
The Big Z. So can I watch it? The video?
You want to watch the video?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I just want to watch the video what I just made.
Okay.
Okay.